Hello, everybody. Welcome to our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 7, we will study how to install the Docker in our system. So we will install the Docker in practice. So we first will search the documentation about the Docker installation. Here we follow the official Docker website to install the Docker engine. Okay, we can see the Docker supported platforms include the desktop and the server because we will install the Docker in the cloud server and our system is Ubuntu. So here we will follow this guide to install the Docker. First, we log in the instance through the terminal. We use the SSH. Okay. Now we have login. We have logged in the Ubuntu server. Okay, we check the version of the system. We use this command. Okay, we can see here our distributor is Ubuntu and it's a detailed information include the release code name because the release is 18.04. Okay, we click the Ubuntu. Okay, this is the OS requirement to install the Docker engine. Okay, we support 21.10, 21.04, and because our is the 18.04 here. First, if we have installed the old version of called Docker or the doc.io, we must uninstall them. We use this command because there are low software installed as a Docker. So this is a detailed installation methods. We can install Docker engine in different ways. There are many three methods. Most use the setup Docker repository. So we use this method. Okay, you install user repository. First, we update the apt package index and install the package to allow apt. Okay, now we use this install because we have installed the curl and some other packages before. Now we added the Docker's official GPG key because this will allow us to install. Okay, enter. Yes, override. Here, we use the following command to set up the stable repository. We can see here, copy, paste. We can check the repository of this. Okay, etc. Here. Yes, we can see here. This is the path. The Ubuntu version bionic and stable. And now we will install the Docker engine. Update the apt package index, and we will install the latest version of Docker engine and container here. Wait a few minutes, it will finish. If you want to install a specific version of Docker engine, you can follow these steps. Because we just will install the latest version of the Docker. Okay, now we have Docker service. Domain filters. Docker main persist. Click here. Docker start. We use this command. Pause. Here, because we will check the Docker status. We use this command. Start the Docker service and status. Now we can see here the Docker service is now running, and now we must do some post installation for the Docker. Now we here post installation steps for Linux. It is mainly about the roots. Group add because now here because the Docker is already exists, and ID Ubuntu ID Ubuntu. Now, because if we use the Docker info, we can here it got permission denied because we must use the sudo to execute this command. It's core. It's the course is because the Docker daemon bind to a Unix socket instead of a TCP port. So by default, that Unix socket is owned by the user root. If the user can only access it by using the sudo, so we must create the Docker group and add it to your user here. Okay, we can hear ID. Now we can hear it belong to this group Docker, and now we use the Docker info. Right? Oh, we must now it re-evaluated. We use command. Okay. We use this Docker info. Now it has been executed successfully and shows the total information about the Docker version. Now we can verify that we can use the Docker without sudo. Yes, we can now docker ps here. Yes, because we have executed this command docker run hello -world successfully, and we can it shows the detailed information and the status. Now we configure the Docker tools to start on boot. We use this, okay, and use the container D. Now the Docker will start automatically if we reboot the system. Okay, that's all. Thank you.